Hello, this is part 2 of my box braid video. Okay, so I've got some different diamond mesh ribbons, and of course, you know, I use these a lot. They work great on homecoming moms. They're just a quick, easy way to bling up anything. So these box braids are kind of hard to decorate though because of the way they are pointed right here, and if you're trying to decorate them like this, they fall to one side, so it's hard to get stuff in the middle. So I took these two pieces of yardsticks that I had, and I'm just laying that braid on there so it's staying upright the way I want it. And it's still, you know, it can be hard to glue stuff on there. So you just want to start a little bit at a time and just kind of glue there in the center and just dab it on there. So I have this one with the squares. And then I have a regular diamond mesh, and these are always pretty on box braid, so you just glue it down the middle, or you can glue it on one side. I've done that too. And this is the floral one, of course, and you can glue it down the middle, or you can glue one right on the edge and then go to the other side and glue another string going down the edge. So it'll be really blinged up. I think on this one I'll go ahead and do these squares. So I want to start just a little bit below the bottom, unless you're going to put something on the bottom where you won't see it. And I'll go ahead and put in glue right there. I know I tell you not to do that, but I went ahead and did it. So I just want that to stick a little bit, and then I'm going to just start gluing a few of these at a time. Those are moving around a little bit. So just want to make sure I'm in the middle, and I'm just going to tap those down just a little bit and pull it back and glue a few more. Just a light amount of glue is fine. It doesn't have to be very much. You don't want it oozing out. So just tap, tap, tap. So a little bit of glue. I'm making sure I'm in the center before it dries. Just tap it down. I don't need to go all the way up there because I'm going to cover that up anyway. That will either be right under the mum flower and it won't show, or if I have it showing, I'll put something there like a bow or something so it won't show. So you don't want that ugliness showing. So either make sure that's under your backer or that you do something to cover it up. Okay, so there's what it looks like with that. Just steps in it makes it look so pretty. Of course, you get hot glue everywhere and you have to peel that off. You could also take, if you have some colorful ribbons, you could also take those and, you know, you don't have to do it on top of the bling, but if you didn't have any of this stuff, or if it's for boys and you don't want to put any kind of bling on there, you could simply just glue a pretty ribbon like this, you know, with footballs or something, and glue it up like that, just to add a little something. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope these videos help you.